If you're a woman over 50 or 60 who wants to work out but isn't really keen on going to a gym and would prefer to work out at home, I'm going to show you some very simple and wonderful exercises to work out your entire body. We're going to be using a resistance band, but I'm also going to show you these same exercises without using any weights whatsoever if you don't have any weights. My name is Eva. I am a 62-year-old woman, and I also am a certified personal trainer. Well, I was. When I lived in Canada, I'm sure my certification has expired. But let's get back to that, a certified personal trainer. And I did specialize in exercises for women over 60, and especially women who had mobility issues, health issues, knees, hips, joints, and other things like that. So get your workout gear on, which you can just do it in your pajamas if you want. You don't even need workout gear. I'm going to show you the cool socks that I wear when I work out. So anyway, get ready, and let's just get to this. Rule number one, make sure you have super cute socks on. I have my kitty socks. You have to work out with super cute socks. So I'm going to start with some really simple upper body exercises, and I'm going to show you how to do them standing up, and I'm also going to show you how to do them sitting down. Now, I have a cat, and she happens to love my resistance bands and loves playing with them, so hopefully she won't interfere too much. So mine are tied together just because I'm crazy like that. So you're going to stand on your resistance band to hold it into place. And the great thing about resistance bands is that you can adjust the tension. So you can make it 1 pound, or you can really grab down, make them shorter, and you can make them 5 pounds, 10 pounds. You can really adjust it any way you want. So we're just going to go really simple here. And I hope you can see this, I think you can, that I'm standing. And once you've got them, you're just going to grab your resistance bands, and you're just going to do little baby bicep curls. Like that's it, that's all. Just nice and easy. And stop if you find that it's a little bit if you're getting out of breath. Always monitor your breath and your heart rate. If you feel like you're exerting yourself too much, lighten up on your resistance band, or just stop and just calm down, take a few breaths, and get back at it when you feel like it. So that's easy bicep curls. It's going to strengthen your upper body, an easy exercise and when you're doing bicep curls, you're just going to bring them up nice and easy. We're not in a big hurry here. Nice and slow. Bring them up nice and slow. Bring them down nice and slow. Make sure your elbows are tucked in here nice and deeply. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And to do this sitting down, it's the same thing. You're just going to do this sitting down. It's so easy. And it's really going to help you. So those are bicep curls. If you want to we're going to work on this. I still have flabby skin here. I don't know what's up with that. I guess that's age, right? So we're going to work on our triceps. Stand on your thing and bring it, and just go like that. Just bring it up over your head. Nice and easy. So your elbows are back, and you're just lifting that. Now this is maybe 2 pounds, maybe 3 pounds. I don't really know. That's all, nice and easy. Start with 5. Work up to 7, maybe you can do 10 or 12. Do as many as you feel comfortable doing. Another exercise I'm going to show you is a chest exercise. So stop it. You're going to put the band behind your back like that, and you're going to grab your resistance band, and you're just going to push. That's it. Just push. Nice and easy. Do as many as you can. And then for shoulders, we want to work on our shoulders. We're going to stand on our bands again. Grab your bands and just go up and out, up and out, and no higher than your shoulder level. You're not bringing these way up into the sky. You're just going as high as your shoulder, back down and up. So easy. And they're so effective. We don't need to be in the gym pushing 10, 20 pound weights. You don't got to do that. The bands are going to do it. For shoulder presses, here's one more upper body workout, just like that. That's all you got to do. I'm going to drop some links down below to some exercise bands, resistance bands you can find on Amazon. So that's it. That is your entire upper body workout. Now, if you don't feel like using a resistance band, or maybe you're not quite ready to use weights just yet or a resistance band, you can use cans like soup cans, or you can use water bottles. You can fill it with however much water you want to put in it. And just, you can do these with that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's it. That's the upper body workout. It's going to make you a lot more confident. It's going to give you a little bit more upper body strength. So when you're having a hard time, lifting things or carrying grocery store bags or anything like that, these are the little tiny exercises that you can do 3 to 5 times a week for 10, 15 minutes while you're sitting on the couch watching television, binging your favorite Netflix program. You can do these exercises and they're going to make you a little bit stronger and they're going to give you a lot more self-confidence. So let's move now on to lower body workout, and then we're going to do abs and back. Let's do lower body. So we're going to work on our legs, and we're going to do a couple of exercises standing up, and then I'm going to show you some sitting down exercises. So for the legs, you're going to stand on your resistance band just like that, and you're just going to kick out your leg like that. That's it. Nice and easy. Other side, nice and easy. And that's going to work on your glutes, your outer thighs, and it's going to work your lower back as well. It's going to help strengthen your lower back. So that's it for the outer thigh. And for your inner thigh, for your inner thigh, see if I can do this one. Inner thigh, you're going to stand 1 foot and just holding your band tight, just kick your leg out like that. It doesn't get any easier. That's all. And you're going to tone your legs, make them a little bit stronger. And another exercise, we're going to get on the floor for this one. And I know my cat is probably going to be all over this one. You're going to put the bands at the bottom of your feet like that. You can lean up against a wall if you need to and just kick like that. That's going to work your thighs, your quads, your butt, and that's also going to work your abs. So those are really, really simple exercises to do that. Like, that's it. Lower body, that's it. That's all you got to do. It's that easy. I also wanted to show you, and I meant to do this. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to put this down for a second. Another really great leg exercise, if you prefer to be sitting on, is just nice little easy leg lifts, chair on the chair. Nice little easy lifts. So it doesn't get any easier. And then you can kick out. My hamstrings are a little tight today because I did legs yesterday, so I can't kick out too much. So you can kick. These exercises work your quads, and they work your abs and your lower body. So you can do leg extensions just like that. And you can do, if you want to get really crazy, you can work your inner thighs. You can do these anytime. So easy. Comfort of your own home. It doesn't get any better than that. I want to show you a lower back exercise. And I'm going to show you how to do push-ups on the wall, which is probably one of my favorite exercises. I'll turn the camera around. So if you are mobile and you get up and move around, great little leg exercise, ab exercise, balance exercise, hip exercise. This one here, standing, does it all. It's really great. When you're doing this, you're strengthening your legs, your one leg that you're standing on. You're working your abs. You're working your back. If you want to do this and you feel a little unstable, hang on to a chair until you feel comfortable, and then let go of the chair. These are great, simple exercises. Another really great exercise for your lower body, holding onto a chair. You can just do little leg kicks, just like that. Lower back, butt, outer thigh, works it all. So, pardon me, I'm going to show you a lower back exercise that I'm going to do it right here on the floor. Actually, my yoga mat is downstairs. Actually, I don't feel like pulling out my yoga mat. So this exercise, you can do this on your couch. You can do it on the floor. I wouldn't recommend it unless you have a yoga mat or a blanket. You can do it on your bed, wherever you want. You're just going to lay on the floor. I don't know if my microphone is going to cut out, so I'm just going to show you on the floor and just lift like that. Cameo appearance by my cat. This is going to work your lower back. You can also lift your legs if you want. This is a little bit more challenging, just like that. You're silly. So lower back, lower body, abs. You can do ab exercises on your chair. This is a great little ab exercise. So great. So that, in a nutshell, is an absolute total body workout. You're going to work all your muscles. All right, I wanted to show you the push-ups on the wall because this is the easiest exercise. I'm going to turn the camera around. There we go. Any wall, find a wall, blank wall, and you're literally going to stand about 2 feet away from the wall, and you're just going to push back like that. Elbows in, just like that. That is the best. And that's a push-up on the wall. That there is your total body workout. You work at your own pace. You do it in the comforts of your own home. It's going to make you stronger. It's going to give you a little bit more energy. It's going to get that blood flowing, and it's going to give you a little bit more confidence, not to mention that it's also going to make you a little bit stronger as well, in case I forgot to say that, obviously. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I do upload videos every Sunday. I'm going to drop some links down below, some helpful links for you. So links to Amazon. They would probably will be affiliate links to the resistance bands. If you don't want to use a resistant band, like I said, cans of equal weight, water bottles, the same amount of water, or you can, start with, don't use any weight at all and just use the air and just move your body and move your arms, just move stuff to get the blood blah. Suddenly I can't speak. To get the blood going. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is for your health, this is for your benefit. You only have one body, one life, and it's up to you to, make it the most of it, be healthy, stay healthy, and it's never too late to take care of yourself. So anyway, that's all I got for you, and I will catch y'all back here on the next video. Bye for now.